Pinapunta ako ni Pangulo dito, no? Kasi, alam mo, I remember very vividly, very clearly, nung first time kong, I think I was DPWH for a few weeks pa lang, humarap na ako sa Congress for the budget ng 26. And ang isa sa mga talagang lumapit sa akin, si Kongba. And sinabi niya, kinuwento niya sa akin yung history nito, na talagang hindi na popondohan. No? Despite his calls sa national government, I think, ilang taon na ako, I think it's years. Years na ito, no? And kitang-kita naman. And I committed to him, sabi ng Pangulo, we have to fix all of these unfinished projects. Before we even think about mga bago, we have to finish unfinished. And this is a major unfinished project here in Misamis Oriental in Tagoloan, which is the industrial capital of Northern Mindanao. Itong Tagoloan, kasi nandiyan ang Pindidec, nandiyan lahat ng mga factories, and it's also the gateway from Luzon, Visayas into Mindanao. No? Nasa Maharlika Highway tayo eh. Di ba? Hindi naman from, ano ganito eh, from Mindanao ganito eh, from Luzon, Visayas, dito dumadaan, going to Mindanao and going back eh. So this is critical, no? So, our commitment was, kahit na, hindi napasok ng malaki sa 2026 budget, we committed to fund portions of it, no, through DPWH savings. And then now we have full funding for the Bridge C for 2027. So, huwag kayong magagalit kay Kong, kay Mayor. Ito talaga, pagkukurang to ng national government. Kaya ang sabi ng Presidente, pumunta ako dito para myself and really commit to the people of Misamis Oriental, of Tagoloan, and the entire Northern Mindanao, that we will finish this. So the commitment of DPWH to the people of to the people and the officials of Tagoloan and Misamis Or is this 2-lane bridge will be finished by June next year. June next year, yun ang timeline natin. Ang mangyayari nun is hindi na magsisiksikan dito yung 2-way traffic. Magiging 1-way na ito going to Butuan. Ito naman 1-way pag ganon from Butuan going to Padente. So, hindi na to kamukha nito na kilo-kilometro na minumura na. Kanina, nagkakakad ako dyan. Nababasa ko yung mga nagmumura yung mga tao eh. I completely understand it eh. Kasi they've been suffering for how many years?
Mga 3 years na tayo.
Diba? So, unacceptable yun. So, we'll fix this. And then we also have funding for the replacement of this old bridge na 1968 pa. It will also start naman next year also. But this will take some time. But we aim to fully fund this na in the next 2 years. So hopefully before the 2028 election, before the president's term ends, tapos na rin itong new bridge. So that's our commitment. June next year for this, and then ang commitment natin dito is before the end of the president's term, tapos na rin itong replacement.